Hi everyone, welcome to
Love in Life.
My name is Victoria, this is my wife
Regina.
Mwah.
And today
we're in Kailua Kona, Hawaii.
the big island. Hot big island.
Yeah, totally hot. So yeah, go check us out on daily vlog, see what we're doing.
Family daily fun.
Family daily fun. Yes, and I'm not sure if we're after or before when I'm uploading this, but yeah, at least
After or before what?
after we're coming home.
No, we'll upload it before. We'll
Okay.
still in Hawaii. Go check it
So,
out.
yeah. So we're going to have Matsubi.
I have no idea how it's called.
You sit next to me and you try to read it.
And
And
so you know how
Katsu.
to pronounce it.
No, I don't know how to pronounce.
Masubi?
Masubi. I'm going to check it out.
I
And
thought
katsu with rice and macaroni salad. So yeah, they're looking very nice. And they are three kinds. This is spam. You have to have spam in Hawaii.
Apparently.
There's katsu and there's Portuguese sausage. So
There's katsu as well?
katsu
Oh, lots of katsu.
and Portuguese sausage. So let's try it, and I'm going to check out how it's called. Okay, this is called Musubi, apparently. So
We
yeah,
have some local beer, some 7-Up, and we're going to make shandy. If you don't know what shandy is a mix of beer and 7-Up, obviously.
which one do you want to start with?
Surprise me.
I'm going for Portuguese sausage. I
Okay.
don't know why, but it seems like very nice.
Again, there are different strength of shandy you can make.
Oh yeah,
More beer, less beer. I'm making like literally.
a little
Ooh,
bit of
that's
beer.
a lot. That's for you. A kid's version for me. Not that kids supposed to drink it. I mean, is like very light version.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's better. You need more.
No, I'm good. I need to
Again,
make videos
we don't drink lots of alcohol, but we bought some beer, bought some 7-Up, and once in a while a little bit shandy is all good.
Shandy, it's awesome. So, and here we have a sauce for the katsu. Katsu, it's like schnitzel or, a Japanese version of Asian version.
Is it strong enough for you? Cheers.
Nice.
Good.
Cheers.
Stronger?
No. Let's try it. And here I have,
Perfect.
what's it called? Yeah, the red sauce.
The red sauce.
The spicy sauce,
No.
obviously.
OMG, I don't know.
What's it? Spicy sauce.
That's huge. What is the other sauces?
This is for katsu.
Oh, for spam?
Let's try.
It's not spam. It's Portuguese sausage. You said it is. You like it?
I like this one. It's smoky. And it's wonderful.
Wow,
I love it.
this is huge. I don't know who
Oh, yeah.
invented it, but this is weird.
It's huge. I like it.
Hawaiian sushi.
And I want to try the macaroni salad. Somehow the macaroni salads here are amazing.
Is this one good?
It's really good. It's interesting. And the katsu.
Wow, that's a lot of food.
We will have leftovers, and I will be happily eating leftovers for tomorrow.
Leftovers work, right?
I don't know, I love leftovers.
No, don't fall.
Don't fall, don't fall. It's nice. You don't have to finish everything. You can try one, try second one, and then
I like it.
finish up.
I like the Portuguese sausage.
I think
It's a bit spicy, but totally has nice flavor. I love it.
we were so hungry today.
Yeah.
We just came from
Full day of adventures.
oh yeah. Okay, Katsu, I will leave Katsu because we have Katsu here, but I want to try the spam one. Because everyone said to me that we need to... do you want a half and half with me?
No, I want my own.
Okay, I want knife. Can I have knife?
Oh, I can do half and half for you. I thought you want a whole one.
No, I don't.
I
I want half. I want a half.
hope this knife is good.
Right. I hope. Yeah.
Good.
So this is how it goes.
I'll try the salad.
Try the salad. It's really good.
Yeah, really good macaroni salad.
They're extremely good macaroni salads here.
Because when you buy them in Vancouver, you usually regret it.
Yeah.
In my opinion. We do.
We are not big on, you know, on macaroni salads, but here they're very good.
It's nice.
The Portuguese sausage is the best.
I love the Portuguese sausage way more. No
Okay.
doubt.
Katsu will be very good.
But again, obviously, spam will never overwin
Anything.
Portuguese sausage.
No.
Not in our world,
Uh-uh.
but it's very nice. I love the sauce. The sauce is amazing. Did it come specifically with katsu?
Yeah, with katsu. And I think this is the sauce that is down there. It's the same sauce.
Oh. Oh my god, I'm already stuffed.
Me too. We overdid with the food. But on the other hand,
Wow. It's like a 1.5 is like a full meal almost. Holy smokes. Oh, here. Wow.
cheers, honey.
Wait.
Oh,
Cheers, babe. Cheers, guys.
nice. Do you want something more? That's it?
I need to try the katsu.
It will be the same like this I have. I love the salad. And I love the katsu. Yeah,
There you go.
let's try the katsu. Awesome.
Oh, it's like full meal.
Can I get more napkins, please? No, it's just.
There you go.
Welcome. Nice. I think it's pretty easy to create at home. What do you think? I bet those are sandwiches like.
I think in this one specifically, katsu disappears in too much rice.
Oh yeah.
In Portuguese sausage, the amount of rice
Versus
per sausage was perfect. Spam was saltier, so it was okay. You actually could have maybe you could have a little bit more rice with the spam because spam is so dominant and salty. But here you definitely don't need as much rice because katsu just disappears. Do you agree with me?
Mm-hmm.
So what you do?
Just add katsu on top.
Double decker.
Mm-hmm.
And dippy. Wow.
Wow. It's good. I see myself eating tomorrow lunch. For sure.
Wow. It's filling beyond your imagination, guys.
Wow.
Unless you know how it's filling is. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Now this is spawn one. Look how much rice there is.
Yeah.
Insane.
We have to go to eat just those ones. We have to take anything.
You want to eat a piece of spam?
No, I don't. Do you want the salad, by the way?
Have a little bit.
Okay, I prefer this one without
The rice? Most definitely.
It has perfect crunch on it, which is just marvelous. Wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful.
Have more max salad. It's so
No,
nice and
good.
warm. It's going to be good today.
Uh-huh.
Not sure how good it's going to be tomorrow.
No, it's really good.
I'm done.
I think I'm done. A piece of the
Whew.
salad.
And you need to understand, we were starving.
Oh yeah.
Like really starving.
Oh yeah.
We haven't eaten anything for hours and hours.
Mm-mm.
And this is just wow.
Okay. So we have lots of leftovers, which is awesome, actually.
Wow.
You know,
That's a lot of leftovers.
a lot.
Yay. That's awesome. Yeehaw.
Yeah. Cold beer.
Mostly 7-Up.
Mostly 7-Up. Yeah. I think we can finish for today.
Oh, yeah. Finished in so many levels.
Oh yeah. So thank you so much for being with us.
Yeah, you guys rock.
Thank
rock,
you.
Rock, rock, thank you.
Ah, sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
All the bubbles are starting to come out.
Bubbly
Sorry.
woman. Yeah. sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
So,
As usual, don't forget to subscribe,
write us a comment,
Write us a
thumbs up us, and cheers.
love in life,
and
and
see you next time.
yeah, make sure to do something fun every day, right?
Right?
Yes,
You
right?
remember?
And aloha and mahalo
Mahalo.
from Big Island of Hawaii.
Mwah.